Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Anybody Can Be a Star on YouTube for July 7th, the year of perfect vision. For anyone who don't know what perfect vision is, that's 2020. Okay, now we have that out of the way. I've been posting to YouTube about 2 years now. Just about. And I have a grand total, last I looked, I stopped looking regularly, but every once in a while it jumps in your face. I have 34 subscribers. Hey, last year around this time I had 20, almost 20. Last year it was because I was entered in the 2019 toolmaking competition sponsored by Emma Ritza of Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop. This year, suddenly I have 34. And it can only be because I've entered the 2020 Spare Room Machine Shop toolmaking competition. I hope someone will hang around and watch me more, tell all their friends. Watch me. Tell your friends to watch me. Anyway, group activities like toolmaking competitions or whatever on YouTube. Whatever you're interested in, there's other people doing it, and someone's going to have a competition, and you can say, oh, hey, let's compete. I'll show you mine if you show me yours, and he can decide which one's prettiest. That can be taken so many different ways, can't it? Here's mine. Oh, I'm sorry, but the world's been getting sick and dying since around Christmas time. And for a little while, it seemed like it was going to stop. No. And now, scary thing is it isn't just this virus and you cough and people get it and eventually you die. They're talking about there are some sublethal, so far, effects that it seems like arthritis, or it seems like heart disease, or it seems like kidney disease. I know damn well it ain't my kidney stone that's moving. No. And I've had this arthritis for quite a long time. But YouTube is the perfect place for group activities. Because you can gather together and you've got this thing right here between yous. No masks. Don't have to worry about rubbing up against them. You can play show and tell all you want. Yeah. Even converse with each other off the server, and buy, sell, swap, trade, whatever. So this is really the safe way to get together and convene with your friends, convention, convene. Yeah. So, do something, video it, post it to YouTube. Find a niche, find the other people in it, do a group activity. Grow, grow, grow.